Hello everybody, welcome back to the cooking studio, where today I'm going to teach you how to make hummus. This will be the first episode in a new segment I like to call Snacking with Sam. Making hummus from home is so easy, only takes a few cheap ingredients, and I guarantee it'll be better than any store-bought hummus you can find. Here are the ingredients you're going to need to follow along. To make hummus, you're gonna need either a blender or a food processor. Food processors are probably better, but a blender works. The first thing you're gonna add to the blender is 1 can of chickpeas. Make sure to rinse the chickpeas. I would peel the skins off of these to yield a more smooth hummus, but if you don't have the time, I wouldn't worry about it too much. Now I'm gonna add some tahini. You can make tahini from home, but I just went to my local Indian market and picked some up. It's a very strong flavor, so kind of add how much you like, but today we are going to add 1/3 cup. The next thing I'm going to add is some olive oil. I will probably add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, so just also kind of feel that out. And then I'm going to add just a tiny bit of water. After you mix it, if it is a little dry, then you can just add more later on and mix it in. Now I'm going to smash 1 clove of garlic. Didn't really smash it hard enough. There we go. Plop it in. And then I'm gonna add salt to taste, probably about 2 teaspoons. You can always add more later on in the process. Now I'm gonna add the juice of half of a lemon. Squeeze it real nice and good. And then just make sure that you didn't drop any seeds into the blender. All right, now we can blend it until it's nice and smooth. It looks a little thick, so I think I'm gonna have to add a little bit more water. It smells really good. Okay, after blending for a few minutes, and it's nice and smooth, you can dip your spoon in and give it a little taste. That's amazing. So we put the hummus on a little plate, added a little olive oil and paprika on top, and now it's time to give it a taste. I'll be using Townhouse pita crackers to taste it. On the box it says they're great with dip. Hummus is a dip. That is maybe the best hummus I've ever had. I'm speechless. Definitely make this at home. You're not gonna find many recipes that are easier to follow. Thanks for watching.